to everyone gathered here, especially our dignitaries on the dais. This annual day marks at another milestone of an academic year. I consider it as my tremendous honor to present the annual report for the academic year 2023-24. From a humble beginning in 2004, 19 years ago, with merely 4 students on the first day at Srinagar colony, we moved to Sainagar, then Dovpet, and now we ended up here in this big and beautiful campus for this academic year. Our strength also eventually grew up to 400 plus. As like our logo suggests, St. Thomas has been providing better education for the bright future of our students. Almost 500 students passed out from St. Thomas and are now in different heights in their lives. We have more than 10 students who got selected for the IIIT, IIT and NIT seats worldwide. Our old students are always grateful and favored for what they have received from St. Thomas. Most surprisingly, one of our students was selected for 50 LPA, and many students of this institution are working for more than 12 LPA in India and some other countries. All our students remark that the spoken English, communication skills and the basics they learned from the school is the primary reason for the achievement. To improve a child's growth in their personal and soft skills, we conducted assembly activities for students where they get a chance to pitch about some topic. We also conduct general knowledge awareness, quizzes, skill development classes, motivational classes, menstrual hygiene awareness for our students regularly. Recently, Dr. Vijayavardhan, professor from Bangalore, accepted our invitation and trained our students regarding sustainable development. We joined hands with PVR Academy for conducting handwriting classes for our students as well as the teachers. As a result, we found that the classes entirely changed the writing style of each and every student. Hand in hand, we also continued our IIT Maths Lab for classes 1 to 10, which was started in the before last year. పొన్నూరులో 2022-23 సంవత్సరంలో 2 IIIT సీట్లను సెయింట్ థామస్ దక్కించుకుంది. మన స్కూల్కు ఇప్పటికీ కేవలం IIITలోనే 6 సీట్లు ఉండడం అన్నది అత్యంత గర్వనీయం. స్పోర్ట్స్ను కించపరిచి చదువు ఒకటే సరిపోతుంది అంటున్న ఈ కాలంలో స్పోర్ట్స్ కోటాలో ఒక IIIT సీట్ను తెచ్చిపెట్టి స్పోర్ట్స్ యొక్క ప్రాముఖ్యతను సెయింట్ థామస్ తెలిపింది. పోయిన ఏడాదిలో దాదాపు 50 మంది స్టేట్ లెవెల్, 10 మంది నేషనల్ లెవెల్ మరియు ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్ కబడ్డీ అండర్-19 పోటీలలో పాల్గొనడం మరియు బహుమతులు, మెడల్ గెలుచుకోవడం మాకు చాలా ప్రీతికరమైన విషయం. ఒక మనిషి యొక్క సామర్థ్యాన్ని మరియు బాధ్యతను చదువుతో పాటు పెంపొందించుటకు సెయింట్ థామస్ స్కౌట్స్ అండ్ గైడ్స్తో చేయి కలిపింది. వాళ్ళ శిక్షణ మరియు బోధనలు మన స్టూడెంట్స్లోని క్రమశిక్షను అభివృద్ధి పరిచింది. రాజ్య పురస్కారం అన్న పెద్ద స్థాయికి మన స్కౌట్స్ అండ్ గైడ్స్లోని 8 మంది సెలెక్ట్ అవ్వడం మాకు చాలా ఆనందకరమైన విషయం. Finally, our parents are everything for what we are today. The love they shower, the trust they abide, the care they take for each and everything for their kids regarding to school is the beginning of all these. Our PTA group also extends their support for everything related to school, sacrificing their busy schedules. St. Thomas is always grateful for that. Lastly, we should thank our God Almighty for showering His blessings for the gradual growth of our St. Thomas in every sector of schooling. In a special way, I thank all our staff members for their relentless hard work and dedication towards the progress of our institution. By God's grace, I hope and pray that we as a family will continue with the same excellence in the coming academic year. Thank you.